Hello, this is Martin from Secret, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow. The daily quick stock market analysis will be look at the technical charts and try to understand and learn what exactly happened today and then how we can plan for a better trade for the upcoming day. That's December 5th, Tuesday, 2023, tomorrow. So we had a record-breaking day today. The bulls made the killing. It was explosive move, the biggest gains of 1,600 point 6-day Banknifty rally and 400 point single day up move. Can you believe that? Markets at record high. Let's get in the charts. Yeah, we'll wrap up here. We'll come back to this, but let's just quickly go to the charts. Look at this. This is Nifty candle that you're seeing. And if you see on the left, you can see it's 419 points, a 2% single day gap up. Right? That's the 5th day of consecutive move. Right? It all started from the 19,800 and now we're almost 900 points from there last 5 days. Big explosive move. And this came in after the unexpected election outcomes that turned out to be positive for the ruling parties, the center basically. All the state election outcomes follows the center. So that was a surprise. It was not expected to this extent. So that could be the reason why it's such gigantic moves. And as look at this, it's 2,000 crores of buying single day, and they have been buying since last 3 weeks now. After 17 or 18 weeks of consecutive selling, remember that they have been selling like anything forever, and now they turned since last couple of weeks. And we have DI is also coming into place, equal buying of 5,000 crores nearby. So it's like 8,000 crores of buying on single day. No wonder market would not obliged to move up. No market didn't do nothing. So it was November 30th, and the last day of November was also explosive. Big gigantic moves. So if you look at this candle of Banknifty, it's a 1,600 point candle. Have you seen any 1,600 candle anywhere in the last couple of years? Probably not. Biggest, one of the biggest moves ever in the Banknifty. And Banknifty was lagging behind. Remember that, right? And we had the Nifty, which had flying rocket above, and this is a Fibonacci extension level of 50% and 60%. So it can easily go to 2,900 and 21,000. You may face some resistance at 61.8 Fibonacci extension level. Fibonacci extension from the last swing low. Right. Projection. It's a projection of the price. So clear breakout. New all-time highs record at 20,700 nearby. Banknifty 46,400 new all-time high, all taken out. Look at where Banknifty was the other day, top of the channel, and it gapped up. It gapped up is fine. It gapped up about 45,600 from 44,900. That's like 700, 800 points gap up, and then from there another 600, 700. So that is explosive new all-time high on Banknifty. Nifty had already made the all-time highs. It made new further all-time highs, and all that was dragging was the Banknifty, which was slow moving and retracing and showing. Suddenly it's all bullish. It's all bullish. Momentum bullish, trend bullish, Nifty bullish, Banknifty bullish, momentum, price action, everything bullish. Nothing else to say that. So that's the kind of explosive moves. 20,700. 2% move, 46,480, 3.6% single day move, wide range bullish candle. Intraday was trending high. Look at this, intraday was trending high. There is no question after the gap up happened, no question of going below the 20 moving average even on the 5 minutes. Absolute trending, no chance for any. So bears were killed, almost killed. That is what kind of intraday move. Absolute no doubt, nearly 8,000 crores of buying. That's what I am. So now the next resistance will be 20. Look at the charts. So now the resistance would come in at this zone, 20, First the 2700 rounding number, 2800 would have resistance, probably now 900, and then that zone will have 61% retracement and 21k. That's how the resistance will go. Downside supports will come in at this gap, majorly 2200 nearby. Right, so that gap. We have another gap here, so that gap is gone. So new gap is at 2300. Right, so that's where it is. 2291 to be precise. 2291. So 2300 would be the next major support. Then comes 20k. Right, in between rounding numbers and all these gaps, another gap is coming at 9900 zones. So 9900 could support, 20,000 could support, 20,300 support, right? And then likewise on the upside, we already seen 2700, 800, 900, 21k. That would have some resistance, 21k. And Banknifty, major support downside would be mainly at 45,000. That's where the gap is there. But again, 46,000 rounding number that can have. 45 is again rounding number that can. That's where a gap also. Right. Similarly, 45,500 would have support. So that is moving. These are all moving average, very far from the 20 exponential moving average. So that confluence is at 44,000. So that's why the supports are the downside. Upside 46,500, 46,700, 800. Then can go up to 47,500. That's how it goes. So resistance at 46,500, 47,000, 47,500. Right, it's a Fibonacci 38 extension. Downside 46,000 rounding number, 45,000 rounding number. That's a gap also. 44,500 and 44,000. That's a rounding number. So all the resistance and support in Banknifty. Nifty already seen 2700, 2900. Fibonacci 61 is there and 21k. Similarly, downside supports will be 2500, 2150 is a gap, and 20k and 1900. We've already seen that. Momentum absolute bullish. Trend is, these are all indicators in the short term. That's daily charts. The only contradicting thing or divergence is this: VIX is spiking. Market is moving up 4.5%. VIX is spiking 15%. So it's at 13 now. VIX. That's the only divergence. That's the only thing you have to be worried. Right? When market is spiking up. So till today it was okay. The results outcome was probably the cause of that fear in the India VIX. But today it should have cooled up. But today also it was spiking up. Probably that is because it was very violent, abnormal, explosive move. That's why probably. Tomorrow, let's see if the VIX is cooling off. If it is cooling off, fine. Otherwise, we will have to be a little cautious about that. Right? Upside, it's there's no boundary. You can go to any. Bollinger Bands, absolutely expansion on the upside. No doubt about that. Far away from the median of 20. So the farther it is away, you have to be cautious because anytime you can get attracted back to the 20 median of the Bollinger Bands. Right? Across the sector, all sectors are bullish now on the momentum perspective. All heavyweights were not bullish. It was sideways and rising. Now today, all heavyweight stock, all the critic stocks, HDFC Bank, Kodak Bank, ITC, all of them are green and all of them are in bullish momentum in the short term also. And HDFC, ICICI Bank, Kodak Bank, they made 3 to 4% of up move. So there's no way the market cannot move 400 points a day. Those markets are green. That's where it all started. Yeah, dollar is spiking. Crude oil is still at, it's cooling off. Now gold is a new all-time high. So other asset classes like gold is also spiking means. People who are invested and waiting for multiple years as a hedge would be making double. Right? So that's the beauty of gold spiking up too much when the market is rising up is a bit of worry because is it a shift from equity market or not is the question that comes in. But otherwise, if it is a commodity cycle that the gold is moving up, breaking out, but new all-time highs made on gold. That's something you have to keep in mind. It's just took 2 years or more. The Ukraine war spike failed. Now the Israel war spike, it succeeded and made the all-time high. But there is a lot of resistance there. Profit booking is there. If you look at the candle of the gold, you can see that it has fallen down. Look at the candle inverted hammer. It made the all-time high at 2150, 146 or something, and then profit booking came in and inverted handle came in. Let us see if it sustains or not. Right? That's it. So what now? So till now we are not sure whether it's going to break out or it's going to reverse. Now the question is clear, the direction is clear. So trend following traders succeed. Non-directional traders suffer this, if they're trying to hold on. And you cannot beat the market. Market follow the trend, and the trend is directional means turn direction. Go to option buying and it's selling, or at least go for spreads if you are not directional. But go for option buying and on directional trades now. Momentum investing can still be done, but not value investing. Like wait for a dip for value investing, right? Wait for a dip with 20 exponential moving average or any of the other levels of retracement, 5%, 10%. At that point in, we can come in for value investing on a side to more. Till then, momentum investing is what you can do. Go with the trend. Right, that's a wrap up. It's very straightforward. Bulls have taken over and inverted. They made a killing move today, and Banknifty was rocketing to record highs in single day. 1,600 points move single day Banknifty. That summarizes what is it, right? So if you're not subscribed and watching this, please subscribe and share with your friends and colleagues so that it reaches out to maximum. And also subscribe to our Twitter channels where we regularly post trading analysis and charts and details and many more. So subscribe to that as well. That's what I have. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.